and our statsman, Jonathan Guillermo. And here we go. Atake muna ang Nick Customize. Pasa sa ilalim, intercepted right away by Team Authentic. Eldon Gikan looking to his teammates. Giving it up, Santos with the left hand, won't go. Delgado drives for rebound. Good defense for both squads, starting this game here. Right now, Jimenez sa kaliwang bigay, jumper, won't go. Misses that time for Sector Jimenez. Litcam lets it fly. Off the iron for Mark Piel. Dito, bihihigit ang sasaguhin dito. After that, first shot. Right now, ang atake ni Customize. Jumper from the left. Ayaw talaga. Both squads missing their attempts here in the opening quarter. Jimenez. Atake sa bigay kay Delgado. Shot like a sky. Delgado. One-handed good. First movements of the ball game. And Aaron Delgado. Unang pusilong yan sa ating season number 3. Taigo sa gitna. Delgado. Sa kanan, Delgado, Bravelo. Lilipad. Place to the kanin. First point sa season number 3. Courtesy of Aaron Delgado. Maganda ang simula dito ng Aaron. Ikan, okay. First that time. Into the hands of Desal. Was the basketball.
Kita.
Right now, Nick Customize on the attack once again. Jimenez, the cross court. The other Jimenez, jumper in and out and in. 6-0 start here for Nick Customize. What a game they're having here, no? Napakalaga makuha nyo yung unang panalo sa ating liga dahil tataas yung kumpiyansa ninyo. Santos getting the basketball off the spin. Looking to Ikan. Now, one hand, Ikan gets it to go. Atakbo ni Customize, ang bilis naman na bawi. Roger Rosa Jimenez other scoring as well. So 8-2 ang ating talaan. Slack one. After another. Almost but not quite. Pero Authentic, makukuha ulit ang bola. But the pass. Little too strong for Daigo to handle. Both spots here committing a turnover. Again, 8-2 ang ating official score. Abante ng 6 ang Nick Customize. They're wanting to add more. Delgado blocked by Daigo. What a rejection. And right now, Lipcam will take it all the way for the layup. Mark Piel, his first 2 points here in our Authentic Basketball League. Jimenez on the move, powering his way in. No go. The Twin Towers of Authentic doing what they are done best. Elden behind the back to Mark Piel. Wasn't able to handle the basketball. Parang mababa yata masyado yung pasa sa pagkakataon na yun. Right now, Daigo. Lilipad! Hello, Bob! Daigo all the way! With the steal, with the score! Ganun-ganun lang. Dalawa na lang agad ang abante ng Nick Customize and Daigo. Another good defensive stop. Ikan. Pasa kay Santos. We are tied at 8 apiece. What a game here. Right now, Delgado on the move, has to adjust his shot. Daigo again, no, his presence down low. It's just phenomenal right now. Mark Piel once again, kinabila pa. 4 points in the ball game for Lipcam. Right now, aatake ni Customize, Jimenez. Soft touch won't go, rebound goes to Slack one. And Mark Piel once again all alone. No basket on the first, but then the second, making it sure.
Wala.
12-8. A 12-0 run for Team Authentic. Now Delgado with a pass sa may ilalim. Rizal back to Delgado. Wanna use the glass, can convert. Right now, tatakbo na naman. Once again, Livcram. Nag-iisa. Easy lay-in for Livcram. He has 8 points now. Right now, atake Jimenez gets the basket and one.